Outdoor lighting can completely transform the look, feel, and function of your home. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, create a welcoming environment for evening gatherings, or improve security around your property, professional outdoor lighting installation can make all the difference. In Southlake, a city known for its beautiful homes and thriving community, homeowners are increasingly investing in high-quality outdoor lighting to enhance their outdoor spaces. Here's why professional outdoor lighting installation is a wise decision and how it can benefit your home. Expert design for maximum impact. One of the biggest advantages of professional outdoor lighting installation is the expertise that comes with it. A professional lighting designer understands how to strategically place lights to maximize the impact of your outdoor spaces. They'll evaluate your property's architecture, landscaping, and existing lighting conditions to create a custom design that enhances both the beauty and functionality of your home. Whether you're looking for subtle ambiance or bright illumination, an expert can recommend the best types of lights, such as path lights, spotlights, or floodlights, and position them in ways that highlight the most important features of your property. In Southlake, where homes range from luxurious estates to cozy modern residences, personalized outdoor lighting designs can make your home stand out beautifully, day and night. Increased home security. Beyond aesthetics, outdoor lighting plays a significant role in enhancing the security of your home. Professional outdoor lighting installation can help deter criminals by eliminating dark spots around your property where intruders might hide. Pathway lights, motion sensors, and strategically placed floodlights can illuminate entryways, driveways, and other vulnerable areas of your home, making it harder for trespassers to approach unnoticed. With the right lighting, you can create a safer environment for your family and guests. For example, motion sensor lights along walkways and near the garage door alert you to movement, while ensuring that anyone approaching your home is visible from inside. In Southlake, a community where safety is a priority, investing in professional outdoor lighting is a simple yet effective way to enhance the security of your property. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Professional outdoor lighting installation often involves the use of energy-efficient lighting options such as LEDs and solar-powered lights. These options not only help to reduce your energy consumption but also lower your utility bills in the long run. LEDs, in particular, are known for their long lifespan and low energy usage compared to traditional lighting. A professional installer can guide you in selecting the most energy-efficient lighting solutions for your outdoor spaces. By choosing options that use less power without sacrificing brightness, you'll be able to enjoy beautiful lighting while keeping your energy costs down. In Southlake, where homeowners are increasingly conscious about sustainability, energy-efficient outdoor lighting is both a smart choice and an eco-friendly solution. Enhanced curb appeal. The right outdoor lighting can dramatically improve your home's curb appeal, making it more inviting and attractive to visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers. A professional installer can highlight the best features of your property, such as your home's architecture, landscaping, or water features, by strategically placing lights that accentuate their beauty. In Southlake, where homes are often designed with unique architectural styles and meticulously planned landscapes, outdoor lighting can elevate your home's visual appeal after dark. Whether it's showcasing the beauty of your garden, illuminating a stunning front door, or highlighting intricate architectural details, outdoor lighting can create a stunning first impression that makes your home stand out in the neighborhood. Extended outdoor enjoyment. With professional outdoor lighting, you can extend your time spent outdoors, enjoying your garden, patio, or backyard well into the evening. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, having a family gathering, or simply relaxing under the stars, outdoor lighting helps create an atmosphere that encourages outdoor living. By illuminating key areas like patios, decks, or poolside spaces, you can make your outdoor areas functional and inviting, even after dark. In Southlake's mild climate, where homeowners love to spend time outdoors, the addition of professionally installed lighting can turn your backyard into an extended living space, perfect for entertaining or unwinding. With the right lighting, your outdoor space becomes an inviting area that you and your family can enjoy throughout the year, from warm summer nights to cool fall evenings. Long-term value and return on investment. Investing in professional outdoor lighting installation isn't just about the immediate benefits, it can also add long-term value to your home. Well-lit outdoor spaces increase your home's curb appeal, security, and functionality, all of which are important factors for potential buyers. If you ever decide to sell your home, a well-lit exterior can make a lasting impression and set your property apart from others on the market. Moreover, professional outdoor lighting can reduce maintenance costs over time. High-quality lighting fixtures are built to last, and a professional installation ensures that everything is set up properly, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. As a result, you'll enjoy long-lasting beauty and efficiency without worrying about upkeep. Peace of mind with professional installation. While DIY projects can be tempting, professional installation ensures that your outdoor lighting is done right the first time. An experienced installer will know how to properly wire and place lights, ensuring that your system functions correctly and safely. Electrical work, in particular, requires careful planning, and a professional installer has the skills and experience to avoid common mistakes that could lead to costly repairs or safety hazards. In Southlake, where high standards of craftsmanship and quality are valued, working with a professional ensures that your outdoor lighting system is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, giving you peace of mind knowing the job was done right. Conclusion. Professional outdoor lighting installation offers numerous benefits for homeowners in Southlake. From enhancing curb appeal to improving security, energy efficiency, and outdoor enjoyment, the advantages are clear. By working with a professional, you can create a custom lighting design that fits your home's style, meets your functional needs, and adds long-term value to your property. Whether you're looking to highlight your home's features, extend your outdoor living space, or simply create a safer environment, professional outdoor lighting installation is an investment that pays off in both beauty and practicality.